Alright, to use DESMOS, it is a web-based app that you can use from your desktop, laptop, iPad, tablet, Chromebook, or you could use it from your phone. What you want to do is go to www.desmos.com or open the app. When you do that, it's going to give you a couple different options. You can start graphing, which will bring you to the graphing calculator. You can also do a four-function calculator, which is what most elementary schools will use. This will also be the same screen that they'll see on the SBAC testing. A scientific calculator, very similar to what you would have as a handheld calculator. You can also use the teacher DESMOS, which has pre-built activities that you can click and create a class code to use with your class. LearnDesmos.com also has different skills and videos that you can learn to use with your class or for your students to learn. Let's hit start graphing. From this page, you'll see your X and Y axes along with your keyboard down below. You have graph settings from in here. You can turn the grid on or off. You can change the axis numbers, the minors, what you want your x-axis to be, what step you want it to go by. Currently it's going by 2s. I can tell it that I want to see the 1s. And I can change the y-axis to show me the exact same thing with putting in the same step as well. You can change from radians to degrees. So let's start by just graphing a simple linear function, y is equal to x. From here I can click and I can see different points on the graph as I'm going. It's also showing me that this graph is showing up as red. Now if I were to put in a quadratic function here, y is equal to x squared, that will come up as blue, and it also will show you where these two graphs intersect, which is a nice option. Okay. Again, if I put in a trigonometric function, it also will show you where the intersection points, and it will also show you the critical values of this graph as well.